Oh, this is a good question. So what's in my camera bag for a typical brand shoot? Okay, first of all, if you're gonna go on a shoot, make sure I can't stress this enough. Make sure you have two things. You need to have plenty of batteries, okay? Definitely have batteries, and then also media cards. You do not want to be on a shoot trying to shoot for a client that's paying you money, or if you're spending your own money, getting models coming in, you got all this stuff coming in, and then all of a sudden your batteries are all out. There's no more battery, and you don't have a way of plugging it in. So definitely have batteries, and then you definitely don't want to be on a shoot and you're out of memory cards. Like all of them are full. So that's definitely not a good feeling. And I've been in both those situations. So I would say definitely if you're going to go on a shoot, have in your bag extra batteries that are fully charged, have extra media cards that have room on them. Because you do not want to be on a shoot without either one of those, because that's a showstopper. You cannot continue to record if you don't have media cards or if you do not have batteries. Now, I do have on this particular camera behind me, as well as my other camera, I do have the ability to plug into a wall if I need to, because I do take that with me too. So that's another thing I carry in my camera bag, is to have a way of plugging into the wall.